Hi, I'm Onel Alfaro. Many of you have taken my tours here in New York City. Well, I want to announce two new tours that we're doing for NYC Tours, NYSE Tours. The first one is the R Subway Tour. The R is the original Broadway local, part of the original subway laid here in New York City in 1904. Back then, the Broadway local was meant to stop everywhere important in Manhattan, and it still does. We'll begin in Lower Manhattan. We'll visit the Wall Street Bull. We'll visit Wall Street itself, Trinity Church, the World Trade Center, then the Memorial. We'll head up to St. Paul's Chapel, the Brooklyn Bridge, and City Hall. And at that point, we'll ride up to Chinatown, Little Italy, and Soho. At that point, we'll now go to lunch at Greenwich Village. The choices there are incredible. There's an incredible variety of food there at Greenwich Village. And after lunch, we take the subway one more time, and we begin to head uptown. We'll make stops at Union Square, Madison Square, Herald Square, Times Square, and we'll end up at Central Park. It's a wonderful tour, folks, and I urge you to join us on the tour.